Hi everyone, it's Lynn with Lost in Iowa. Today I am going to go ahead and do a quick haul video for the Diamond Art Club orders I have. This first box is going to be from the anniversary sale, and then the other box is going to be the gift from my husband for starting the channel. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, got my little ceramic cutter here. Order sheet out. All right. Let's see if you can see that. Get the little kitty. Looks like my little baby beans. It's called Friends by Jeff Hainey. It's 25.6 by 35.8 inches, 60 colors, 1 AB, 4 fairy dust diamonds for a total of 95,265. And then next, move this box. We have the ChrissaBug Lilith, which I have Christopher Lavelle's Lilith, so I had to get ChrissaBug's as well. ChrissaBug's is a 25.6 by 36.2 inch canvas with 48 colors, including 1 iridescent, 1 special diamond, and 5 fairy dust diamonds for a total diamond count of 96,309. Alright, so I have the second box here, and this is the gift from my husband for starting the channel, which I'm not entirely sure what all is in here. So let's go ahead and get this one opened. Hi Cringy, what are you doing? Oh, hi baby. Are you curious what I'm doing? Back. What you doing, buddy? Hi, Cringe. You saying hi to everyone? Well, here comes your brother. Hello, Panther. Oh, I know what it is. This is a box. Oh, hi, Panther. Hello. Let's scooch this back then. And, oh, yep, okay. Are you going to get those canvases out for me? Well, this is not entirely unexpected. Hi, buddy. Okay, let's start grabbing some stuff. Oh, well, that came undone in the box. Looks like I got Hello Summer mini Dazzles. Oh, Winter mini Dazzles. Oh. The Nightmare Before Christmas mini Dazzles. That's cute. What is this? Is this the last one? Nope, there's more mini Dazzles. He picked up snakes. Nice. So I've got the snakes mini Dazzles. There's some more in there, but I see what the special gift is he got me. The Moth Man by Anastasia Berry, 25.6 by 36.2 inches, 76 colors, including 1 Aurora Borealis, 4 fairy dust, for a total diamond count of 96,309. Now, I haven't told you guys that story yet, but kind of touched on it that I'm a gamer in my last Whip and Chat. And my husband and I play Fallout 76 together. And when we got married, our honeymoon was actually in West Virginia. And our goal on the trip was to visit every location that we could fit in a week that is in real life that appears in the game. So we went to like the Mothman Museum and all kinds of places. I'll try to get some images up and maybe some B-roll of where we went while we were there. And there's some stuff at the bottom of the box. What else we got here? Get this box out of the way. Haunted House Mini, the 3D Gem House, Pumpkin Glow Manor. Nice. And a Christmas Santa's Workshop Gem House. Very nice. All right, everyone. I think that about covers it for my Diamond Art Club haul. Yeah, my gift from my husband. I really like the Mothman one. That's very cool. So he knew how to get to me with that one. Looking forward to doing the Lilith and especially Friends. As you can see, I have a couple of black cats running around here, so that is cool. And yeah, so I think that is it for this haul. I will be doing one more, which is I'm going to make my small shop haul, which is going to be the pen and something that I have from Art Dot. And with that, I'll see you guys later. Bye.